Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Pixel on Wix website. To start this tutorial, open manage.wix.com in your internet browser over at your laptop, PC, or Mac. In here, you will see the marketing integrations. Now it's over at Marketing and SEO at Marketing Integrations. Just make sure you open this tab over here at Wix. Then over at Facebook Pixel and CAPI, you will be able to connect it by pressing on Connect. But to fully enable this function, you will need to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect Facebook Pixel and CAPI. Then after that one, when you scroll down, you will see all the steps on how to connect Facebook Pixel. It's a lengthy and pricey process, but it might be worth it for your business. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.